I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating an eSIM with Telus on your Samsung device can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Contact Telus customer service or log into your Telus account to obtain your eSIM activation code. This is usually a QR code. Step 3. Open settings. On your Samsung device, navigate to the Settings app. This is where you'll manage your network connections. Step 4. Add mobile plan. In the settings, select connections, then tap SIM card manager. Choose Add mobile plan and scan the QR code you received from Telus. Step 5. Follow on-screen instructions. Once the QR code is scanned, follow the prompts to complete the activation. You may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. If you encounter a message saying invalid SIM, double-check that you scanned the QR code correctly. Sometimes, lighting can affect the scanner's ability to read the code. I hope this guide helps you activate your eSIM smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.